So I just got to thinking about it and realized I hadn't made an update video in a really long time. Got a lot of half-finished projects on the channel going on. So I figured to give an update. The hood I was working on, still kind of in progress. All this virus stuff, I haven't been able to get Bondo and the weather's just been crap anyways, so it hasn't really been going on. The interior is finished. Swap went well, everything worked out pretty good. It's a 96 interior and a 94. But it's all nice. There's no cracks, no holes, nothing like that. Put these aftermarket gauges in because I don't like the dummy gauges in the dash. They just don't really give you an accurate reading. So that's the interior anyways. The issue I'm having, and this is a heads up for anybody if you ever do this yourself, is that the frame is already starting to rust again, where it was really badly rusted before. So if you're going to do that, look into maybe getting the frame blasted so that you don't have the same problems that I'm having. But not the end of the world. Just going to probably clean it all off, take the pressure washer to it. I just got up to some shenanigans, so I got to wash it off. But just going to take the pressure washer to it, knock everything off that's loose, and that'll be that, and I'll take it in and have it undercoated, and hopefully that should solve my problems. But if you got any pointers on that, certainly let me know. Anyways, have a good day. Thanks for watching.